These are very powerful stem cells.
Lauren Isley is with Cooper Surgical, the parent company of Cord Blood Registry. Isley says blood from the umbilical cord and placenta, along with cord tissue, are being used for more than certain cancers, blood, and immune disorders.
We've actually seen cord blood and cord tissue being used in newer applications in this newer area of medicine called regenerative medicine. And regenerative medicine looks to repair and regenerate damaged cells and tissues and organs in the body.
Isley says some of the research and clinical trials happening right now are for ALS, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's.
A lot of these are adult onset conditions. You're not going to see them pop up in a person or a family until, perhaps they're 30, 40, 50 years old. So I think where we thought about cord blood in the pediatric population a little bit more, now we're thinking of the older generation when it comes to regenerative medicine treatments. There are some benefits of getting these stem cells from the cord blood and cord tissue when they're brand new. They haven't had a lifetime of exposure to viruses and other environmental toxins. So research has shown that newborn stem cells in their naive state actually have some benefits over those adult sources of stem cells.